Hello gamers, welcome to this video. Many people do not have enough money to spend on for making a costly PC like PC with 2080 Ti. They have their budgets under which they have to build their gaming computer. In this video I am going to tell you the best PC build under $340 or 25,000 Indian rupees. This bit can able to run many AAA title games at 60 FPS in 1080p. If not, then 100% sure on 720p, such as GTA 5, Valorant, Uncharted, Just Cause 4, Fortnite and many more. Without wasting any more time, let's start, but before it, like this video. First we will talk about the motherboard. In this build, we will use MSI A320M Pro V2. It's a very good motherboard if compare it from its price. It's ideal for all of our components that we are going to use in this build. It's only costs around $44 and 3,350 Indian rupees. Moving to our next component, we have the most important CPU. But literally it will not be a CPU, it will be APU. If you don't know what APU means, then let me tell you, that APU has their own integrated graphics. In short, it is the combination of a CPU and a GPU. In this build we will use AMD Ryzen 5 3400G APU. The CPU and GPU are integrated together here. You get a 4-core, 8-thread 2nd generation Ryzen CPU, based on 12nm Zen and cores, plus a Vega 11. That gives you roughly 1/5 the performance of Vega 56. It is not bad as it sounds, it's a great processor in budget and can give you playable frame rate. It is about $171 and around 12,830 Indian rupees. Moving to the next component, we have RAM. In this build we will be using 2 RAM of ADATA XPG gamerz 4GB. According to our Ryzen 5 processor, it is the best RAM available under budget. It is dual channel. Dual channel almost always delivers better performance, but this is even more accentuated with APU. This is because the Vega 11 doesn't have its own dedicated VRAM pool. It shares the system RAM. A dual channel RAM setup doubles your memory bandwidth. It's double a very tiny amount to start with, but that's definitely better than nothing, and it translates into frame rates that are 5 FPS or more higher. It costs around $38 and 2,898 Indian rupees. We will be using Thermaltake Lite Power 450 watts as our power source. All you need is a power supply, as long as it doesn't set your other parts on fire. The Thermaltake Lite Power 450W does that job with ease. Considering that your APU is a 65W part, you won't get anywhere near the PSU's limit. But it does give you a reasonable amount of overhead if you ever want to add in a dedicated GPU. You get a 6-pin and a 6+2, so anything up to about a GeForce GTX 1660 Ti can be utilized. Its price is around $30 and 2,300 Indian rupees, which best suits our budget. Next we need storage device. We will be using ADATA Ultimate SU650 240GB SSD. 240GB is enough for any gamer, and this is a SSD, so it will reduce booting and loading time. Usually, we recommend an SSD HDD combo, but when you don't have a budget for both, it's always better to go with a 240-480GB SSD. It will result in lighting fast boot times and short loading times. It will cost around $31 and 2,350 Indian rupees. We will be using Antec VSK4000B as our cabinet. It will fit all of our cabinet easily. It does not look cool, but we are under budget. It costs around $30 and 2,250 Indian rupees. That's all for today guys. Leave a like this video and check out my other videos. If you are a low specs gamer, then my videos will help you 100% sure. If you interested in my content, then subscribe this channel. Okay, see you in the next video.